Hey everyone, welcome back to LeetCode Unlocked. Today's daily challenge is a string simulation problem that might seem exponential at first glance, but with the right logic, we can trace it down in O log k time. The problem is called Find the kth character in string game 2, and we'll solve it using a reverse walk approach that's both clean and efficient. You start with a single character, A. You're given an array OP of length n. At each step, you duplicate the current string. If OPI equals 1, you increment every character in the second half, wrapping Z back to A. If OPI equals 0, you just append the same string again. This process keeps doubling the string. Your task is to return the kth character in the final string. Now here's the twist. Simulating this string will not work. After just 60 operations, your string would be longer than all memory. Instead, we realize that we don't need to build the full string. We only need to track how the character at position k evolves through the operations. We use a vector len to track the length of the string after each operation. Since the string doubles every time, we push len equals len I minus 1, 2. We stop once len I, since further expansion won't affect the result. Now we work backward through the op array, from last operation to first. If k is in the second half of the string, we subtract half from k, and if op I equals 1, we increment the character. This lets us trace the final character's origin without ever building the string. Let's dry run the problem with op equals 0, 1, 1, and k equals 4. Start ch equals a. From op2 equals 1, and since k is less than 4, subtract half. K equals 2. Increment a, b, again in second half. K equals 1. Increment again, bc. Op1 doesn't affect anything since k is now in the first half. Final output equals c, time O log k, space O log k. We only store lengths and loop at most log 2k. And that's how you solve Find the kth character in string game 2. The key is to think backward, not forward, and trace the character's journey rather than simulate the string. If this breakdown helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more daily LeetCode and NeetCode explanations, and I'll see you in the next one.